All right, so at this point, your blog is complete. Technically, though, you really don't have any blog content on there yet. And if someone went to your website, there'd really be nothing there. But it's okay because no one's probably searching for your content yet. You probably haven't shared it on your Instagram account or anything like that. So now you need to pick a topic to write about. So, for example, if we're going to be writing a celebrity gossip blog, let's figure out what our first article should be about. So we're going to go use the Google Trends tool. And let's see what Google Trends thinks about Kim Kardashian. So this is Kim Kardashian Google search data in the last 12 months. And it'll tell you not only where people are searching for Kim Kardashian, it'll also give you related queries or searches. So that way you can have ideas on what you want to write about. So for example, perhaps I should write an article about Kim Kardashian surrogate Lorena. Or perhaps I should write an article on Kim Kardashian new baby girl. Or how about Kim Kardashian new baby girl name? So you can see all these are ideas for topics for your article.